welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share how I will be doing a rod set using the Cream of Nature Argan oil from Morocco, the foaming wrap lotion. I've been doing a series on my natural hair using different products to see how that product works for my hair, how that style turns out. Like I've been doing wash and goes, twist outs, I'll be doing bantu knots, rod sets, and I'll probably be using different products doing a rod set. So this is my first time really using the Argan oil foam and wrap lotion to really do a rod set. So, and I wanted to share with you guys, I'm still practicing and learning. I haven't got it just down packed like I really want to. I'm having trial and errors. My hair has that fine texture to it. It's just kind of, I'm going to say like a medium density, medium to low density. I don't have a high density of hair, and my hair is just so fine, guys. And that's why I'm just really trying out products to see how it does my hair. So if you're interested in seeing on how I created this hairstyle here, please continue watching, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, share this video as well. Maybe it's someone out there that would like to see this video. And yeah, guys, and if you have any tips for me pertaining to doing a rod set, please comment down below and let me know, guys. I am very interested in learning how to really get my rod set down packed. So let's get started. Bye, guys.